What is going on, guys? We are back here in Los Angeles for the Gears 5 launch event. We're in like the industrial district. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. We're in the industrial district. We're going to a place called the Container Yard. That's where they're having the Gears 5 launch party, launch event. It's about 3:30 p.m. The event doesn't start until 6, but I wanted to get here early because I did not want to deal with any Los Angeles traffic because it is just horrible. It's not a good time. So I got here early. I'm gonna hang out. A little bit nice breeze. It's warm out. It's a beautiful day here. I'm gonna head over, get a good feel for the lay of the land here, and probably find some food because I got up at about 5 o'clock for a workout and haven't had too much to eat since then. So I'm gonna try and see what there is to eat around here. Priorities. All right, we have made it in to the Gears 5 launch event. Met my dude in line, originally from New York. He's also vlogging. Yeah, dude, this is gonna be. They got music playing. They got Gears available to play. They got free food, free tattoos. I think. I don't know about that one. Maybe I'll get another Gears tattoo. And we're just getting in, checking everything out, and they got actual people cosplaying as COD characters, of course. And yeah, this should be a fun event. They got the music pumped up loud, and I'm feeling like I need to go rage at some Gears of War, at some Gears 5. That's exactly what I need to do. We are inside for Gears 5 launch. We're in a giant container. It's really hot, and Gears fam are just coming out of everywhere. They're just crawling. I'm turning every corner, and there's people here that I'm recognizing. I still need to find water. It's very hot in here. The real question is, are you hot?
I am. Oh my God.
I'm sweating. I've been sweating since like 3 p.m. Like I said, I'm blind right now, by the way, recording this video. Hello, Emily. I've never told this story, but he helped me out in Mexico City when I lost my bag, trying to find it. I don't know Spanish. I know like 3 words, and he hooked me up. He helped me out. He found my bag and spoke to the TSA agent.
For sure, we lived.
Yeah, we lived. It was. I didn't see you the rest of the weekend.
No, it was just that.
He held me in the airport, and I was like, all right, tight. But yeah, free food, free tattoos, no water anywhere apparently, so I'm just gonna have to drown myself with alcohol. It's hot in here. Maybe I should go outside. The night is winding down.
It is. It's about that time.
And I'm here with Rod Ferguson, Gears Viking. How are you feeling basically on the eve of launch?
Yeah, it's amazing. We have the reviews all dropped at 6 a.m. this morning, and predominantly positive, which is great. A lot of people got in, you know, they're getting what we're trying to do. Like, we're trying to create player choice, mix up the formula, you know, like make it more approachable, and like the reviews seem to show that, which is fantastic. And then to have an event like this where you get to spend quality time. I've been signing posters for like a couple hours, and so getting to meet the fans and talk about their experiences with Gears has just been why I do these things. So it's been phenomenal, and the team back at the Coalition, they're the ones who do the real hard work, and I appreciate them and very proud of what they were able to accomplish.
Hey, I'm telling you, at a store level from the Microsoft store, seeing the people come in and compete and be excited about the game, and we're having launch parties and launch events all week long. People are, I saw some of them here actually that are from San Diego. They are excited for this, and
amazing.
They've been waiting, and it's here now, and everyone's ready to jump into it, and just from campaign to horde to escape.
Yeah, and it's been great to partner with you guys. Like, to partner with Microsoft stores, be able to do like the esports stuff, and then we were like one of the first with Escape, where we were able to bring E3 into the store. Then we were able to bring Horde and Gamescom to the store, and now, you know, it's just phenomenal to have that partnership. And so to give people sort of hands-on access when they can't make it to LA or they can't make it to Germany, but they can make it to the local
Make it a little more
microstore.
accessible, right?
Yeah, totally. And so it's exciting for that, and so I'm really happy with that, and it's been phenomenal. So thank you for that.
Arm's getting a little tired, so we're gonna wrap it up. Thank you, Rod, very much. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.